Welcome back to my channel. I am making for you a delicious chocolate custard today. I know that you're gonna make it for Sunday. Shall we start? So I'm going to start combining all the ingredients at a time, a little by little, to get on and make our delicious chocolate custard. I'm first going to add my delicious yellow favorite color custard powder. Here I have some 100% dark unsweetened cocoa powder and sugar. I'm just quickly going to give the ingredients a whisk so they all combine and they get mixed before I add my milk. So मेरे पास 5 cups of milk यहाँ है. मैं सिर्फ 1 कप डालूंगी और मेरे ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स को मिल्क में मैं विस्क करूंगी. हमें एक पेस्ट बनाना है with the custard powder, cocoa powder and sugar. So I have a lovely paste which is completely ready. On our stove, let's switch the gas on simmer. We're going to add the mixture. We're going to add the milk and cream right now. Heat our mixture and then bring it down to a simmer. So I have added about 1/4 cup of 100% dark unsweetened cocoa powder. But in case you want a little more darker, a little more intense, delicious chocolate custard, you just need to increase your cocoa powder. And the result will be exactly as you like it. My custard mixture has boiled. I need to simmer it for 15 to 20 minutes. You have to stir it constantly. So we don't want any lumps in our custard. So my custard is ready. हमने इसे boil करके 15 to 20 minutes simmer किया है and the custard has thickened and as you can see is nice and molten. अभी हमें ये आग को ऑफ करना है. Our delicious chocolate custard is ready. You can eat it hot or you can eat it cold. This custard will taste even better if you eat it after a day. Trust me that it tastes as delicious with almonds and pistachio as it tastes delicious with berries or just simple old chocolate chips. I hope कि आपको आज वाला chocolate custard recipe बहुत अच्छा लगा. And I hope that you are going to make it and send me a picture because मुझे आपकी feedback का इंतज़ार है. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you soon. Take care, have fun and stay fit.